Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Dressmaking with Teacher Lynn. Before we start, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started.
Today, you will learn more about setting the sewing machine. To achieve perfect machine stitching, you have to set the machine properly first. This involves the proper threading of the upper and lower thread of your sewing machine. And as a dressmaking student, you must learn how to thread the head of the sewing machine as one of the first steps in becoming a skilled operator. The threading mechanism on the head of a sewing machine has certain purpose in controlling the thread from the spool to the needle. The thread must pass through the various thread guides in a given order so that the machine will sew properly. First, you need to put the spool of thread on the spool pin, and then bring the thread to the thread guide, and then you have to pull the thread between the metal disc of the upper tension. After that, you have to bring the thread up to the thread take up lever after the thread guide. So this is how you put the thread on the thread take up lever. You have to pull the thread down to the thread guide. The thread guides, because you have 3 thread guides before you put the thread on the needle. You have another hole. You need to put the thread down here before you thread the needle. So in threading the needle, you have to thread it from the left going to the right and make sure that the needle is inserted correctly. The first step in threading the lower part is to remove the bobbin case by pulling on the bobbin case latch. So this is how you remove it from the inside. For the second step, you have to remove the bobbin from the case and wind the thread. So this is how we wind the bobbin. You have to put the thread on the spool, and then the thread goes through the thread guides, going through the eye, as you can see now, and then between the metal discs, so going through the bobbin, and you have to wind it several times before you push it forward, and then you can already have the bobbin winding. So that is how we wind the bobbin for the industrial sewing machine. Then you put the bobbin to the bobbin case and pull the thread through the little slot at least 4 inches. Again, you have to pull the thread at least 4 inches long before you insert it on the shuttle. This is how you insert the bobbin case on the shuttle. Make sure that you hear the bobbin case inside the shuttle as it kicks. Start the mechanism by rolling the balance wheel forward to get the thread of the bobbin through the needle. Pull the upper and lower thread together by 4 inches. So that is how we thread the lower part of the industrial sewing machine.